So this next story, let's talk about my husband, Leo. For his friends and family that knows him, he's the fastest sleeper ever. And the guy can snore too. And when I say fast, you're talking about the minute this guy closes his eyes, he's already snoring. So one night while we're sleeping, he falls asleep and I'm wide awake on my phone, just kind of playing on it. And you guessed it, the minute he closes his eyes, he's already snoring. So I'm just minding my business because he does this thing all the time. It's normal for him every single day, nothing different, when all of a sudden he wakes up and says,
Did you hear that, babe?
Hear what? What did you hear?
That was so weird. You didn't hear that?
No, I didn't hear anything. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, maybe I must have been dreaming it. Okay.
Now I'm getting really tired. I turn around, put my phone away, and try to sleep. Nope, I still couldn't sleep. So then I nudged him and I woke him up and I said, Babe, wake up, I can't sleep, it's too noisy.
Oh, so you did hear that. What is that?
I finally found out what he was talking about. The noise. He was talking about himself. Poor guy. He was half awake and half asleep, and he kept hearing himself snoring, but he didn't even know it was him. So I said, what are you talking about? That sound? That loud sound?
Yeah, what is that? That's so annoying. I'm trying to sleep.
So I said, that was you snoring. That's what I have to put up with. So he didn't believe me, and I had to record him, and then show him the next morning, and then he believed me. He said that was really annoying.